In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Plotly in Jupyter Notebook. Plotly is a powerful library for creating interactive charts and dashboards right inside your notebooks, and getting it installed only takes a moment once you know where to click. First, open Jupyter in your web browser so you're on the main Jupyter interface. This is the home page where you can see your folders and notebooks. Make sure you're in the Jupyter window that corresponds to the environment you actually use for your projects. If you launch Jupyter from a specific environment or shortcut, you're already in the right place. At the top of the Jupyter interface, click the File menu. From there, hover over New. This reveals options for creating new items. Choose Terminal. Opening the terminal from within Jupyter is important because it runs commands in the same environment as your notebooks. That alignment helps avoid the common issue where a package installs somewhere else and your notebook can't find it. In the terminal window that appears, type exactly pip install Plotly and press enter. Let the command run and don't close the window until it finishes. You'll see it resolve dependencies and download files. This can take a minute depending on your connection. If Plotly is already installed, the terminal will say requirement already satisfied. That's fine, you're all set. If it needs to install, you'll see progress messages and, at the end, a confirmation like successfully installed, followed by the version number. Once the installation completes without errors, you can close the Terminal tab. Plotly is now available to your Jupyter notebooks in this environment. The next time you create or open a notebook here, you're ready to build interactive visuals with Plotly. Using the terminal from Jupyter ensures the installation lands exactly where your notebooks expect it, which keeps everything consistent and avoids path confusion. That's it. Open Jupyter, use File, hover over New, launch Terminal, and run pip install Plotly. With this setup done, you can focus on creating great interactive charts in your notebooks.